this is my start of the year tech project where we're recapping what we did last year of CAD and 3D printing, as well as a bit of how the design process works. I will be making a ball check valve. At this point, I had no idea what a ball check was or what it was for, so my initial idea was a really bad one and obviously wouldn't work. But after a Google or two, I figured it out, and it's basically where from one side the water pushes against the ball, which pushes against the spring, making it contract and letting water pass through, whereas on the other side, the water pushes the ball, but the ball blocks it, not allowing any water to go through. With this information, I loaded up Inventor and started CADing. In previous prints, we wanted to attach two pieces together with glue or similar material, but then it wouldn't be watertight. So instead, this new print will use the friction between two parts and seal it together almost like a lid on a container. Finally, it's over and it's working almost as hoped for. However, there's small gaps here and there that are allowing some water or air to still pass through, but for the most of it, water or the air is only allowed to pass through one direction and not the other in the ball check valve.